Struggling with your Dyson V11? Your Dyson V11 trigger is broken or getting sticky. That tiny plastic Dyson dustbin bracket has a crack in it. You think it still works, right? Wrong. When that trigger gets permanently stuck in the on position, you're not just dealing with a runaway vacuum. The motor can overheat, causing irreversible damage and a serious safety hazard. And when that weakened dustbin bracket finally fails mid-clean, you're not just cleaning a mess, you're creating a new one, potentially ruining furniture, electronics, and your warranty. Honestly, your vacuum is supposed to fight dirt, not stage a dusty protest that redecorates your living room. Don't wait for disaster to strike. This is a completely solvable problem. This is where RoboCare comes in. At RoboCare, this isn't just another job, it's a specialty. Our technicians are masters of Dyson V11 repair, with years of experience handling these exact problems. We know these vacuums inside and out. We don't just replace the faulty parts, we upgrade them. For the Dyson trigger fix, we use a specially engineered, reinforced component that won't snap under pressure like the original. Using precision tools, we carefully service the main body assembly, perform the trigger replacement, and install a new, more robust dustbin bracket. It's more than a simple vacuum cleaner repair. It's a permanent solution designed for longevity. It's about providing a permanent solution, not a temporary patch. But talk is cheap, right? Let's see these results in action. Look at that performance. After RoboCare's expert repair, this Dyson V11 is back with full suction, cleaning like the day it was bought. Got a vacuum problem? Contact us today. Drop it at our service center or use our hassle-free courier service.